Hello students, welcome to my channel Rise Up Tutors. आपल्या सर्वांना नवीन वर्षाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आता मी 9वीचा जो 3.4 आहे, हाऊ द फर्स्ट लेटर वॉज रिटन, ही स्टोरी तुमच्या पुढे शिकवणार आहे. तर त्याआधी मी 9वीचे बरेचसे व्हिडिओ बनवलेले आहेत आणि पुढे मी बनवत राहणार आहे. तर त्याचे तुम्हाला नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका आणि साईडचे जे काही बेल आयकॉन आहे तिथे ऑलवर सेट करा. तसेच मी 11वी आणि 12वीचे व्हिडिओ बनवलेले आहेत, बनवत राहणार आहे. आणि अजून काही तुम्हाला इतर काही सुचवायचं असेल, मी कशावरती व्हिडिओ बनवू किंवा तुम्हाला काय अपेक्षा आहे तुमच्याकडून, काही म्हणजे इतर लेसन्स कोणकोणते तुमच्याकडून आवश्यक आहेत ते मला कळण्यासाठी तुम्ही कमेंटमध्ये ते शेअर करा. तर लगेचच आपण आपला 9वीचा जो 3.4 आहे तो आता सुरुवात करूया. हाऊ द फर्स्ट letter was written. This is story, and this is very amazing story about how the first letter was written. The story is written here by Rudyard Kipling, who is a writer, and he narrated in very informal manner. What is in story? We are making part because it's very lengthy. So first part now we have to learn here, and second part I will be make ready quick. So see now, first part, what is the story? See, once upon a time was Neolithic man and lived cavily in a cave. Neolithic man. Neolithic, this is referred to Stone Age. Those people lived in Stone Age. Such person is called Neolithic man, who used weapon like stone, animal, teeth. Then that time they used wood and fire for fuel, and they used mud vessels, as well as they ate raw material as well as root vegetables. Then they own animal skins or bark of trees clothes. Okay, now in this story, Neolithic man who lived in cavely in a cave, he wore very few clothes. He couldn't read and he couldn't write, and he didn't want to. When he was hungry, he was quite happy. Whose name was Tegumai Bobsulai. Tegumai Bobsulai means what? Man who does not put his foot forward in a hurry. And for himself, some expressions used by the writer, but we, oh best beloved. Okay, call him Tegumai for short, and his wife's name was Teshumai Tivendro. That means here expression used by writer, lady who asks very many questions. Oh best beloved, with call her Teshumai for short. And they had one little girl. Girl's name was Tafimai Metalumai, and that means small person without any manners who ought to be spanked. Spank means slap. Expression used by the writer, but she is called Taffy. She was Tegumai's Bobsulai's best beloved and her own mummy's best beloved. So all they were lived very happily. They lived a very happy life, except when he was this Tegumai, who was very hungry. Okay, now see next para, what is saying here. One day Tegumai Bobsulai went down through a beaver swamp. Beaver is the animal, and swamp, this marshy land, there lived animals, big animals, it's called beaver, to the Vagai river to spear carp fish for dinner. Spear means sharp tool used by fishermen. Okay, Means one day Tegumai went down through the beaver shop to the Bagai river, and Tegumai's spear was made of wood with fast teeth at the end. And accidentally, what happened there? His means accidentally broke it clean across. Okay. Then Tegumai had forgotten to bring any extra spares. He didn't have any extra spares. Here is pretty kettle of fish, quantity of fish, said Tegumai. It will take me half the day to mend this. Okay. Then here Tappy, his daughter, who said to him that there is your big black spear at home. शार्प टूल काय आहे घरामध्ये आहे असं तिची मुलगी त्यांना सांगते. लेट मी रन बॅक टू द केव अँड आस्क मम्मी टू गिव्ह इट मी असं ते विचारते. देन इट इज टू फॉर युअर लिटिल फॅट लेग्स सेड तेगुमाय. तेगुमाय सेड टू हर दॅट इज बी नाव आवर होम इज टू फार सो okay, forget it, and you might fall into beaver swamp when you went there and be drowned. That's told here by Tegumai to Taffy. Then Tegumai sat down there and took up little mehndi bag full of reindeer sinews and strips of leather. Sinews means जसं काही पाठीवर रेंडियरच्या पाठीवर असे काही टिश्यूज असतात ते बोललं जातं, आणि डिअर हेच काय स्पेसिस आहे डिअरच्या रेंडियर वगैरे. तर अशा पद्धतीने त्याच्या त्या बॅगमधून ते काही साहित्य काढतात, आणि काही त्यांच्याजवळ लम्स ऑफ बीज वॅक्स पण असतं जे आपण माशांचं मेन बोलतो. मग ते मेनचे गोळे काय त्याच्याजवळ असतात, रेझिन्स असतात म्हणून ते असतात. अँड बिगॅन टू बेंड द स्पेअर, आणि मग तो त्याचं जे स्पेअर आहे शार्प टूल आहे ते बेंड करायला सुरुवात करतो. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट पेज व्हॉट इज सेइंग हिअर बाय रायटर. सी, Tappy sat down too, with her toes in the water and her chin in her hand, and thought very hard. Then she said, I say, Daddy, it is an awful nuisance that you and I don't know how to write, isn't it? If we did, we could send a message for a new spear. Just then a stranger man came along the river, but he belonged to a far tribe, the Tevares, and he didn't understand one word of Tegumai's language. He stood on the bank and smiled at Tappy because he had little girl daughter of his own at home. Tegumai drew a hank of deer's sinews from his mehndi bag and began to mend his spear. See, next what? Tappy sat down there and her toes in water that time, her chin in her hand, and she started to thought very hard. She said to his daddy that it's terrible trouble now. You don't know how to write, isn't it? Then we could send a message for new spear. आपण काहीतरी मेसेज देऊ शकतो न्यू स्पेअर करता टूल करता. त्याच वेळेस जस्ट देन अ स्ट्रेंजर मॅन came there and came along the river, but this stranger man belonged to a far tribe, the Tevaras, and he didn't understand one word of Tegumai's language. Okay, means here he stood on the bank and smiled at Taffy because he had a little girl daughter of his own at home. What's meaning here given? See, just then a stranger man came along the river, but he belonged to far tribe, the Tevaras, and he didn't understand one word of Tegumai's language. Then Tappy was smart and wanted to help her father. She felt no shyness. When she saw the stranger and didn't think twice before speaking to him. But she was upset when she saw that her dad was losing a big catch because his spear had broken at wrong time. Okay, then this person, stranger man, who felt very very who felt that Taffy, who didn't be afraid for speaking him, and Taffy was also not shy. She didn't shy to him. Then their conversation going on, they started to talk with each other. Uh, Taffy called him, "Come here. Do you know where my mummy lives?" And the stranger man said, Means here some jerky questions asked here by Taffy. Taffy used here some means joke in this story, and silly questions were that. Then she stamped her foot. Taffy stamped her foot because she saw a soul of very big carp going up. Swamp means what? Marshy land. Okay. Going up the river just when her father couldn't use his spear. Okay. So here Tegumai said, "Don't bother grown-ups. Don't disturb." Okay, don't disturb about it. So busy with spear mending, and Tegumai remained busy with his spear mending. He didn't turn from. Then Tappy told to his father, "Yes, I only want to him to do what I want him to do, and he won't understood now." And Tegumai said, "Don't disturb." He went on pulling and stand deer at the deer sinew with his mouth full of loose ends. Then stranger man who sat down on grass, and Toffee showed him what her daddy was doing. Stranger man also started to thought that it's very wonderful child. Taffy was very wonderful child. She stamps her foot at him and she makes faces. She must be daughter of noble chief, who is so great. So he smiled more politely than ever. Then Taffy what said, I want I Taffy said to stranger man that you want me means I want you to go to her mummy because his legs are longer than mine, and he will not be fallen into beaver's swamp. जे काय माची लँड आहे म्हणजे तिथे तर तिथे मध्ये तो पडणार नाही कारण त्याचे लॉंगर लेग्स आहेत आणि तो माझ्या मम्मीकडे जाऊ शकतो असं टॅफी त्या स्ट्रेंजर मॅनला बोलते. अँड कशा करता तर डॅडीचं जे काही स्पेअर आहे ते स्पेअर आणण्याकरता बॅक हँडल, आणि ते स्पेअर कुठं आहे घरामध्ये तर विच इज हँगड ओवर देअर फायर प्लेस which was in their home. Okay, so Tappy asked to him. Then stranger man started to thought that this girl was very wonderful child, and she shouts him also, and he didn't understood word of what Tappy says, um, but here when a stranger man didn't listen her, or she didn't did, he felt that her father was very great man. He was the noble chief. Then he will be means her father will be angry, and twisted a big flat piece of bark of a birch tree and gave it to a Tappy, and he did this best below to show his heart was as white as the birch bark, and he meant no harm. But Tappy didn't understand. Then again Tappy asked to him that you want my mommy's living address. You want my mommy's living address. Of course, I means Tappy couldn't write but she can draw pictures if uh, if she had anything sharp to scratch with it. So she took Shah's tooth off his strange man's necklace. Shah's tooth. Hmm? Then strange man also means didn't say anything to her, and she pulled beautiful bead and seed and shark tooth necklace around his neck. Strange man Theora thought that this little girl was very wonderful child. Shark tooth on his necklace is magic shark tooth, and she was always told that anybody touch it without uh, his leave, uh, they would immediately swell up or burst. But child didn't swell up or burst, and that important cheap man who attends strictly to his business, who has not yet taken any notice of them at all. Then Stenman thought that he must have to be polite for it. So Stenman gave Tappy Shah's tooth, and then she started to write on there. She started to draw there, and she sat very calm. She sat lay down very calmly and quietly, flat on her stomach with her legs in the air, like some people on drawing room floor when they draw. They wanted to draw pictures, and then she started to draw many beautiful pictures on there, and look very she looked his shoulder, Changeman's shoulder to his drawings, and then she mustn't be use means move jerkily, or joggle means move jerkily. Then she draw daddy's fishing, her daddy's fishing. Then she drawn there his spear all broken. Now then didn't understand that how she will draw that spear that he wants, black handled spear. It looks at, so she used one trick, and she was sticking in daddy's back. It looks as it was sticking in daddy's back, but that's because the sharks to sleep, and this piece of bark isn't big enough. That spear means she want by strange man to fetch. So she started to draw a picture of a strange man or alls explaining explaining to him and all, strange man and all. Then Tappy's hair doesn't drawn there in easy way, doesn't drawn by her in easy way. Now she started to think that very nicely to draw it, and then she told to strange man that she couldn't complete his picture very pretty. She told to him that you must not be offended. uh, then the stranger man Tevara smiled, and then there must be big battle going to be fought somewhere, and this extraordinary child means Tappy, who takes his magic shark's tooth, but who didn't swell up or burst, is telling him to call the great chief's tribe to help him. So he is a great chief. He was great chief, and he would have noticed him. The story here is students. Now I am making another part of the story quick. So students, stay home, stay safe, and stay with me.